against Sani Nanodkar under section 376 IPC, and the complaint state that Mr. Nanodkar has had raped her on the pretext that he'll marry her. Marry her. So this was happening for last 1 year, from May 2022 to May 2023. So we are investigating this case. It is revealed that she has been taken to various places, right from Kankona to Mapsa. So our investigation team will be visiting all the places and collecting the necessary evidence so that we can make this case strong.
अरेस्ट केला त्याचा बी?
So far, we are looking out for the accused person. We have not arrested. He is absconding.
रिलेशनशिप जर 1 वर्ष पोलिसांत जर जाल्यार आता सडनली कंप्लेंट करपाची कितें?
आता anybody can lodge a complaint if it is this act is happened without her will. Anybody can lodge a complaint any time, even after 5 years, 10 years or so. Anybody can lodge a complaint.
Thank you, sir.